Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the microphone and precise location so Google Maps can hear and place you accurately. Once done, open the app and sign in if prompts appear. This preserves preferences and saved places. Tap the microphone icon or voice search to start speaking your destination. Speak naturally and include specifics like address or business name. This first step gets the assistant context, which speeds routing and reduces reprompts. So verify permissions if voice fails before moving on. Now you refine the route using clear commands. Say directions to and the place name or address so the app plots a path. Make sure to state the travel mode, driving, walking, transit, or cycling, because each mode yields different lanes and ETA. If you want preferences, add phrases like avoid tolls or fastest route to tweak routing. This updates the map and recalculates ETA. If traffic appears heavy, ask for alternative routes aloud and choose the best balance of time versus distance. As you travel, follow Google Maps turn-by-turn voice prompts. They announce lane guidance and exits so you can focus on driving. Once nearing the destination, watch the map and listen for arrival cues. Tap the mute button if you need quiet. If you miss a turn, say reroute or tap an alternate route, Maps recalculates immediately. If voice commands stop working, one key troubleshooting tip is to check microphone and location permissions, then restart the app. This fixes most recognition and positioning errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.